This YouTube channel gained over 1.1 million followers, more than 500,000 views on YouTube, and over 7 million likes just by posting a total of 29 videos. Yeah, you heard that right. And the best part? All of it was created using free AI tools. No expensive gear, no editing team, no Hollywood budget, just smart storytelling and the power of artificial intelligence. And today, I'm going to show you how you can do the same, step by step. Whether you're into Bigfoot-style content, cinematic AI scenes, or just curious about Google Veo 3, stay with me because this isn't just a tutorial. It's a full blueprint to creating viral videos using nothing but free tools and your imagination. First, let's talk about what's inside this video. We'll cover how to come up with viral video ideas using simple research techniques, how to script your AI content like a movie, how to generate cinematic clips with Veo 3, how to edit and post your shorts to maximize views and engagement, and finally, how much money you can actually earn from AI-generated YouTube shorts. Now imagine this, a blurry figure walking through the jungle, camera shaking like it's a found footage documentary. Suddenly, Bigfoot appears. But instead of attacking, he's chilling at a campfire roasting marshmallows and talking about his favorite forest recipes.
Yes, that should do it.
Sounds insane, right? But this kind of video works because it's unexpected, funny, and visually interesting. And best of all, it's 100% AI generated. These types of videos are blowing up online, especially on shorts and reels. And creators are using storytelling mixed with curiosity to hook viewers within seconds. So the first step to creating content like this is idea research. Don't just make random videos, reverse engineer what's already working. Open YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels and type in keywords like AI Bigfoot, AI Forest, or Viral AI Video. Filter the results by most viewed and pay attention to what shows up repeatedly. Maybe it's cryptids. Maybe it's surreal, dreamlike visuals. Maybe it's simple but funny characters. Write down the themes, tones, and formats that are performing best. Then ask yourself, what twist can I bring to this idea? Maybe it's Bigfoot vlogging his morning routine, or a day in the life of an alien in Mumbai traffic. The key is to remix viral formats with unique characters or punchlines. Once you've got a strong idea, it's time to turn that into a story. Use a basic 3-part script structure, beginning, middle, and end. Start by setting the scene, like Bigfoot wakes up and decides he wants to become a forest chef. Add a challenge, like his ingredients keep going missing, and end with a twist. It turns out the Yeti next door was trying to help him all along. These stories don't need to be long. Each scene can be just 5 to 10 seconds. But they should be structured like a mini-movie to keep the viewer curious. Now comes the fun part, bringing it to life using Google Veo 3. If you haven't used it yet, it's Google's new AI video generator that creates super high-quality scenes from simple text prompts. Once you're in the Veo interface, go to the text-to-video section. Let's say you want a clip of Bigfoot cooking over a campfire. You'd type something like, Bigfoot cooking marshmallows over a fire in the forest at night. Cinematic lighting, 4K resolution, soft glowing embers, found footage style. Choose the style, cinematic, surreal, realistic, and let Veo generate your scene. Do this for each part of your script. The intro, the conflict, the twist. Once you've got all the clips, it's time to edit. Use a free editor like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. Import your Veo 3 clips. Add smooth transitions, background music, sound effects like birds or fire crackling, and overlay subtitles. Subtitles are super important. They help viewers stay engaged and watch till the end. Add an intro hook like, what happens when Bigfoot becomes a chef, and end with a punchline or cliffhanger to boost rewatch value. When your video is ready, export it in vertical 9:16 format and upload it as a YouTube short. Use titles that spark curiosity, like, I followed Bigfoot in the jungle and this happened. For hashtags, use #AI Shorts, #Bigfoot, Google Veo, and niche-specific tags. Now let's talk about the money. How much can you actually earn from AI-generated shorts? Well, a single short with 1 million views can earn anywhere between $50 to $1,000 depending on your niche, country, and YouTube's current bonus program. But the real opportunity is in indirect income. Affiliate links, sponsorships, digital product sales, or using shorts to grow your long-form channel. Consistent creators who post 3 to 5 shorts per week are easily making between $500 to $2,000 per month within a few months of starting, even without showing their face or using their voice. And here's the best part. You don't need to be perfect. The AI tools handle the visuals. You just need a solid idea, a simple script, and a bit of editing. It's never been this easy to go viral, and the earlier you start, the more you'll benefit. So if Bigfoot can blow up on YouTube by making forest omelets, you can definitely go viral too. Just remember, keep it curious, keep it creative, and let AI do the heavy lifting. Now go create something amazing. Your viral journey starts today.